Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Maslow's hierarchy of needs. The duration of this presentation will be comprised of knowledge about who Dr. Abraham Maslow is, what his hierarchy of needs are, and how the hierarchy is structured. Dr. Abraham Maslow was an American psychologist who created his hierarchy of needs. This theory is based on a 5-tier model that outlines a human's needs in the form of a pyramid model. The model functions with the highest level of necessity residing at the bottom of the pyramid. Think about it like building a house. You need the foundation set in the ground before someone is able to build a house. The pyramid functions in a way that dictates that the lower levels of the hierarchy must be satisfied before an individual can attend to the higher up levels. So here we have our 5-tiered pyramid with, as said before, the most essential or highest level of needs starting at the bottom, working towards the lowest level of needs at the top of the pyramid. The lowest level of the pyramid are a human's physiological needs. These needs are biological requirements for human survival, including air, food, drink, shelter, clothing, warmth, sex, and sleep. These needs rest at the foundation of the pyramid because without these needs being met, the human body cannot function optimally. The second level of the pyramid are a human's safety needs. These needs include protection from the elements, security, order, law, stability, and freedom from fear. The third level of the pyramid are a human's needs for love and belongingness. These human needs are social and involves the desire for interpersonal relationships to motivate their behavior. This could include friendships, trust, love, or being a part of a group like a work group or family. These needs involve intimacy, trust, and acceptance. The fourth level of the pyramid are a human's esteem needs. Maslow separates these needs into 2 categories. The first is esteem for oneself, which includes dignity, achievement, and independence, and the second is the desire for reputation, or status and prestige. Maslow indicated that children and adolescents tend to need respect or reputation more than they require self-esteem or dignity. The 5th level of the pyramid are a human's needs for self-actualization. These are needs for an individual to realize their personal potential and self-fulfillment. An individual will seek personal growth and peak experiences, striving to be the best that they can be. Later on, 3 more levels were added, as shown here. Cognitive needs consist of a need for knowledge, understanding, curiosity, exploration, and a need for meaning and predictability. The transcendence needs involve a person being motivated by values which transcend beyond the person's personal self. This includes religion, science, aesthetic, or sexual experiences. And then finally, aesthetic needs involve an appreciation and search for beauty, balance, and form. Thanks for exploring Maslow's hierarchy of needs with me. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you'd like to learn more about Dr. Maslow and his hierarchy of needs, feel free to check out the rest of my blog.